How are you guys doing? Welcome to the third part of our series, and in this part we're going to connect our app into the Firebase database. So welcome and enjoy the series. So this is our package name in the Android manifest.xml file. If you are wondering where you can find this file, you can find this file in the Android app source and then main, then you find this file known as Android manifest.xml file. So we're going to copy the package name, which is com.example.youtube. Copy it, and then we're going to paste into I'm going to create a new project. So our project name is going to be YouTube. So the project is ready. We're going to add an app. We're going to add an Android app. So Android package name, we have copied that, so we're going to paste it. Then Android, the app nickname, we're going to call it just YouTube. And then I already have the debug sign-in certificate, which is going to help us in the Google sign-in. So I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to register the app. So I'm going to download the Google services.json file, and then I can continue to do the rest. I'm going to download this one into the C folder, C users bob desktop, and so this is on my desktop, if you're wondering. So that's quite basic. And then I'm going to go next, and then so the file is already downloaded. I'm going to open it as well as in here, this one. So I just drag it and drop it into the VS Code. Then I have to rename it because it contains some characters that are going to cause problems. So we have done that, and we are going to add some few Firebase SDK. As you can see, the first one is in the project level build.credo. We're going to add this Google, which I already have, and in the dependencies we're going to add this com.google.gms Google services version 4.3.3. so for me, I have added them all. And also you can go into all projects, and then you can add this Google, which is already there. And in the app level, you'll have to apply plugin, which is apply plugin com.android.application, which is already there by default. And also in the dependencies, we are going to implement this com.google.firebase analytics version 17.2.2, and then we'll have to click next. So this is all you have got to do. And if you rerun your app, and then this is going to be So for me, I show you all the dependencies that I have added. So in the app level builder Gradle, which is quite, so as you can see, this is what I have added in the dependencies folder, where I have added this com.google GMS Google Services version 3.3. So I'll just add this so that you know. And also, no, I think I was mistaken. This is project level, not the app level, so you need to be very careful. And of course, in the app level builder Gradle, this one. In the app level builder Gradle, this is where we add most of our dependencies. We have a comparative SDK version 28, and there are some few things that are very important. For example, the multi-desk in the default config. This is very important for you to add. You should add this too, because without this the app is not going to work. So multi-desk enabled, set this one to true. Build types, we do not need this now until we release our app maybe. And in the dependencies, we have implemented this one, multi-desk. So android.multidesk version 2.0, so you have got to add this one too. Also this com.google.firebase analytics, also you have got to add this in your dependencies too. And I think the rest is simply just what we found. And also this is the last one that you have got to add, the apply plugin, which is always on the bottom of the builder Gradle app level. So I think this is the end of part 3, and in the next part we're going to start signing using Google signing, and then the rest of the series will continue. Thank you and welcome back into the Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and like my Facebook page. Thank you and welcome back.